Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're going to be learning how to make two styles of wooden bead garlands with tassels. These garlands are pretty popular in home decor and so easy to make them. You can arrange them on trays, on top of books, on glass vases, on coffee tables, on shelves, pretty much everywhere you want to bring a vivid touch in your decor. So if you're excited for today's video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos on a low budget. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Well guys, without further ado, let's get started. For the first piece, you're gonna need large and small wood beads, scissors, jute twine and Scotch tape. You will find everything you'll need in the description down below. First, we're gonna need to make our tassel. To be doing this, you have to take your jute twine and wrap it around your fingers as many times as you like. The more you wrap it, the thicker the tassel will be. You can also use a piece of cardboard or a book to wrap your jute around. When you're done, cut off the excess twine with a pair of scissors and then cut another piece of jute that's about 50 inches in length. This will be the string that we will insert into the beads. Pass it through the top of the bundle you've just created and tie a double knot to secure it. Just make sure to leave the one tail as long as your tassel because after the knotting you want to let it meet the other strings. Then cut off the bottom of your tassel and try to tidy it up. Next, you're gonna need to take another piece of jute to secure the top of your tassel. All you have to do is to put the string about 1/4 of an inch down from the top and then make a knot. Then you're gonna need to take the longer end and wrap it around evenly and then take the other end and make a double knot to secure it in place. Let the one tail rest on top of the other strings and snip off the other one. To secure the knot in place, I took a clear nail polish and put a little on top. Then take your scissors and trim off the ends of your tassel to make it look nice and even. Next, you're gonna need to cut off a piece of Scotch tape to wrap it around to the end of the string you're gonna insert your beads into. That way it will be easier to do so. So just go ahead and wrap it around and pass through the wood beads one by one. First, insert your larger bead and then the smaller one. And repeat this pattern until you are satisfied with the length of your garland. I used 43 beads in total and my garland is 35 inches including the tassels. When you're done with the beading, push the beads to meet the tassel you've created previously and then go ahead and make the second tassel. Wrap the jute around your fingers as many times as you did with your other tassel and then pass the end of the string of the garland through the top of your tassel. Bring it close to meet the last bead and secure it by making a double tight knot. My life is so complicated. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of. Then snip off the bottom of the tassel and the extra string and use another piece of jute to tie it around about 1/4 of an inch down from the top of your tassel as you did earlier with the other one. Then, again, put some clear nail polish to the knotting and next trim off the ends. And now your garland is complete. For the second piece, you're gonna need large-sized wood beads, medium-sized and small-sized ones, a pair of scissors, Scotch tape and some thin yarn. First, we're gonna begin by making our tassel. All you have to do is to wrap the yarn around your fingers as many times as you prefer. As I said, the more you wrap it, the thicker it will be. I wrapped mine 35 times in case you're wondering, because I wanted mine to be full and nice. When you're done with the wrapping, cut off the end. Then cut another long piece of yarn and pass it through the top of the tassel. Make a double knot and don't forget to leave the one tail as long as your tassel will be, so that it meets the other strings and they will all blend together. Then cut off the bottom loops of the tassel and next cut another piece of yarn to tie the tassel together. Place it about 1/4 of an inch down from the top, only this time you'll need to make the double knot without wrapping it around. Let the two strands fall to the bottom and then trim off the ends and you're done with your tassel. Next, wrap around a piece of Scotch tape to the end tail of the yarn and start passing through the beads. First, pass through the large bead, then the medium one, then the large bead again, and then the medium one again, and finish it with the large bead. After this step, you're gonna need to pass 16 small beads through the yarn, and when you're done, you'll have to pass the end tail through the last small bead and through the rest of the large and middle ones. Since it was difficult to thread the yarn, I used a toothpick to push the yarn through the beads. Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half for you is 30, half is 70. Then take the string you were working with and pull it down so you will create a loop with the small beads. After that, tie a double knot between the last bead and the top of your tassel and finally snip off the excess string and you're good to go. Guys, I really love how they turned out and I hope you like them too. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs on a low budget. I'd love it if you follow me on Instagram and also share this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for being here and I hope I'll catch you in my next video. Have a nice day and take care. Bye guys!